Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about comparisons in tech right now, Blackbox AI versus ChatGPT 2025. Both are powerful tools, but which one should developers actually use? Let's break it down. Starting with Blackbox AI. When you open it, you'll notice a clean, slide-style workspace filled with developer-friendly tools like Image to App, App Builder, API Platform Docs, and even a built-in web IDE for writing and running code. You can upload files directly from your computer, and one of the coolest features is the multi-panel view. It lets you split your screen to keep chat, code, documentation, and previews open side by side. No more jumping between tabs. Another strong feature is the model selector, which lets you choose between multiple AI models depending on what you need: faster performance, cost efficiency, or deeper reasoning. Basically, Blackbox AI is designed for developers who want everything: chat, coding, and automation in one space. Now let's move over to ChatGPT 2025. Its interface feels more creative and flexible. You get the familiar sidebar with your old chats, saved projects, and access to the Sora video model and tons of specialized GPTs for different professional tasks. The chat composer now includes a plus button that opens advanced features. You can upload files, generate images, perform deep searches, and even create documents or diagrams directly on the canvas. One major upgrade in ChatGPT 2025 is its new voice interaction feature. You can actually talk to ChatGPT and get realistic voice replies back. Plus, it connects seamlessly to OneDrive, Google Drive, and SharePoint, meaning you can pull in files without even downloading them. So, which one should developers use? If you're focused purely on coding productivity, Blackbox AI gives you a more integrated coding environment. But if you want flexibility, research tools, and creative collaboration, ChatGPT 2025 still leads the way. In short, Blackbox AI feels like your AI coding partner, while ChatGPT 2025 feels like your all-around digital assistant. Both are powerful, but your choice depends on what you build and how you work. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech comparisons like this.